Hello, my name is Thari. I'm a CEO and founder at SUDrain. Across Cambodia, untreated wastewater is a silent crisis affecting health, livelihood, and environment. So our innovative solution is recycling coconut waste as a filter to treat the wastewater, which is easy to set up and maintain. It's saving cost and time, and it's also good for the planet because it is renewable, recyclable, and compostable. With the support from ASEAN Blue Innovation Challenge, we're deploying coconut-based filtration system to tackle sanitation issues along Cambodia coastal community, boosting sustainable tourism and marine ecosystem. We provide a full cycle solution to ensure long-term impact to the community, from the project design to the water quality testing, and more importantly is community engagement. From household to eco-resort, from school to livestock farm, our team of environmental engineers and sanitation experts work closely with the local community to minimize wastewater impact, improve public health, boosting ecotourism and local economics. We partner with development agencies, government and NGO to achieve sustainability goals. Our project aligns with UNDP vision for clean water and sanitation, healthy ocean and resilient community. With SUDrain, fewer children in school, women regain dignity through better sanitation, and entire community flourish. SUDrain isn't just solving sanitation issues today. We are building a legacy of environmental stewardship and community resilience for generations to come. Join us in shaping a healthier and more sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference.